Hello, you guys. How are you guys doing? You're welcome to Lolly's Cooking Channel. How are you doing? How has been your week? We thank the Lord for yet another opportunity to be in the comfort of our home right here in our kitchen. And today I'm going to be making chocolate chips cookie. And come with me and let's do it together. It's so yummy, it's so sweet. Anytime you don't want to have your hands messed up baking or doing something, just quickly do a chocolate chips cookie. Thank you for watching. If you love to see more of this recipe, please you can do give us a thumbs up, share, subscribe, and turn off your notification bell. Thank you. God bless you. Butter is unsalted on room temperature. So your butter must be on room temperature. Then we have um, quarter cup of granulated sugar, and we have the white and the brown sugar. So we pour it in. Your butter must not waste. Goes in. So now we're going to be mixing it together until softened. Don't forget to lower your mixer before pouring it in so that it will not splash on your face. The next thing that you're going to do is you make sure that it's not um, muddled up at the back together. So you scrape your mixer, you scrape all the butter out and continue beating. And you continue beating. So the next thing that we're going to be doing is adding in our egg. So I'm going to put this off. And I'll break in my egg. One. Alright, back. I will continue our process. Now it's time for us to add in our vanilla, and I'm going to be using 2 teaspoons of vanilla. We'll continue mixing until everything is well combined. Now we're going to be adding in our dry ingredients. We're not adding them all at a time. We'll add them bit by bit. So we mix that until everything. Don't forget to get your mixer at the lowest so that you will not get flour in your face. So I will add in 2 tablespoons of milk. So I'm going to add in the rest of my flour and mix to combine. Please don't overwork your dough. Just mix everything to combine the flour together. You don't have to over mix your dough. It will become very um, chewy. So we are ready now. I just want to pack everything out, scrape all the edges, and we are ready to bring it out. To pour in our chocolate cookies. So let's go in with the chocolate cookie. So we'll mix it together and just make sure it goes in. You can use your mixer because it will break everything in pieces. So it's good you use your mixing bowl with a wood. So now it's time for us to put it in our baking pan, and if you have a parchment paper, you can spread up your parchment paper to bake it. But I'm not going to bake on parchment paper. I'm going to be baking it on my baking pan, and I will be baking for 350 degree. So I will use my ice cream scooper to scoop it out. Or you can as well get your hands washed thoroughly and use your hand to mold it to what you want. So just mold it in with your hand. Okay, you now need to remember that we did not oil our pan because we don't want a lot of oil or it spreading out throughout the pan. So that's why we did not oil our pan. So the next thing we're going to be doing right now is to put it in our oven and bake for 350 degree, and there is space in between each. They are not all clumped together. So now we are going to be baking for 20 minutes. Okay, see you soon.